Welcome to ECN Trade Daily Video. Before we begin, it should be noted that any advice is of a general nature only and that your personal circumstances have not been taken into consideration. Hello everyone, my name is Rob Clayton and thank you very much for joining me. To start with, for those who have shortened the gold around that 1260 level, the market has fallen away and now challenging its 1248 support. It is viewed from a technical point that the market will progress lower and look towards a 1238 target and reassess from there. Now a break beneath 38 will give further exposure to the downside and give a target of 1218 and may likely see a possible bullish recovery from that region. Looking to the top side, still viewed towards 1255 with above at 1260.64 as a supply zone. With the US dollar nudging slightly higher overnight, the euro portrays an identical pattern from the previous day's price action. You can see here from the rejection of 106.30. With the market already kicking off to quite a positive start for the US dollar as the euro weakens, with the awaited speech from US President Donald Trump to his first major address to Congress, the market will most probably be whippy today. That commences at 1 o'clock Sydney time. In light of the technical pattern, however, I am looking for a move down towards 105.55 and lower to 104.55.70. Now it is viewed a break beneath there will give further exposure to the downside and near that 14-year low of 103.40.65 and reassess from there. Still sell into strength, and I do expect any advances above 106 to 106.60 to offer a supply zone. While the Australian dollar, if we look to the shorter time frame, stabs at that 45 level, being the low this morning after retreating from a 76.93 high. As the market eases away from that top side, and also to not forget that we do have bearish divergence here that is taking a bit of a hold to the market. I am anticipating a move towards that 75.95 support. Now a break beneath there would give further exposure towards 74.80 and reassess. From the technical setup, you can clearly see the market is breaking down and will put further emphasis to that downside objective. In the event we see a recovery, well, of course, we do have today at 11:30 the GDP quarterly out, so we could see a little bit of a whippy price action. And also with Donald Trump as well at 1 o'clock today, may see any advances as a potential short for the market, and additional shorts may be applied above that 77 handle with 40 capping. While dollar yen finds a support of 111.60 overnight and rallies further as we now look towards this 112.80 level as it crumbles. It is viewed if this pattern holds, then we could be looking at a possible target of 113.60.70. A break above there will give further exposure and bring in that 115.5 objective. However, with the risk event at 1 o'clock today with the US, we could see a very whippy price action, and the boundaries still hold to 110.60 to 115.5. Sterling's breaking down, and yes, we are challenging this 123.80 level. Now a break beneath there should give further exposure. We've only seen a low of 71 so far, so not fully broken, but I do anticipate this level will eventually crumble and expose the 121.40.70 area and reassess from there. Any advances should still find resistance from 124.80 to 125.5. And to wrap up with oil, well, another doji, another day. These dojis continuously repeat themselves since the 3rd of January from this bearish key reversal. And as the market still remains hesitant from this 54.60 level, I still hold the view that we'll eventually get down to that 49.60 target and reassess from there. So that's a wrap for today. Thank you very much for joining me. And as always, look out for the intraday report that will be released shortly.